What is the best way to prepare eggs for weight loss at night?
Hello, healthy food enthusiasts. Today, we're talking about the best way to prepare eggs for weight loss at night. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, healthy fats, and a variety of vital nutrients. Preparing them in a healthy, weight loss-friendly way can aid in your fitness journey.
Why eggs?
Why choose eggs for weight loss? They're a low-calorie food rich in high-quality protein that keeps you feeling full and satisfied, making them an excellent choice for a weight loss diet. They also provide essential nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and selenium. The key is preparing them in a way that minimizes additional calories and unhealthy fats.
What's the best cooking method?
When it comes to weight loss, it's best to avoid methods that require lots of oil or butter, such as frying. Instead, opt for methods like boiling, poaching, or soft, hard cooking. These methods don't add any extra calories or unhealthy fats.
What's the recipe?
Here is a simple, low-calorie egg recipe that's perfect for a light nighttime meal. Boiled egg salad ingredients: 2 boiled eggs, mixed salad greens, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, a small amount of low-fat dressing or a simple dressing made with olive oil and vinegar. Procedure: 1. Boil the eggs to your desired level, hard or soft boiled. 2. Slice the cucumber, halve the cherry tomatoes, and chop the boiled eggs. 3. Toss them with the salad greens. 4. Drizzle a small amount of low-fat dressing or homemade dressing over the salad. 5. Enjoy your nutritious, low-calorie egg salad. Remember, the key is to keep the salad dressing light to maintain the meal's overall low-calorie count.
Any other tips?
Always aim for a balanced diet. While eggs are healthy and weight loss friendly, they shouldn't be the only thing you're eating. Include a variety of other proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet for optimal health. And don't forget to pair your diet with regular exercise. In conclusion, eggs are a fantastic, versatile food that can be part of a weight loss diet. It's all about how you cook and serve them. Remember, balance is key. Here's to making your weight loss journey delicious and nutritious with eggs.